NoMorePly pre-primed 6mm boards are the perfect choice to strengthen timber floors and overcome deflection without unnecessary floor height build-up. Boards can be cut cleanly and easily by scoring one side of the board using a NoMorePly tool, then snapping. For curves and shapes, use tile nippers. Screw down existing floorboards firmly and sweep clean. Run 2 beads of mega strength PU adhesive to the back of the board. Use 8 to 9 25mm NoMorePly fibre cement screws per board to secure the board in place. Position the screws 25mm from the edge of the boards. Screws prevent boards moving whilst the mega strength adhesive expands slightly as it dries. Run a bead of mega strength PU adhesive along all edges before the next board is placed. This reinforces and waterproofs the joints, eliminating the need to tape them. Wipe off excess adhesive using a cloth.